All right, everybody, welcome back. My name is Gillis the Kid, and I have another phone review here for you. This time we're going to be talking about the Motorola Razr 5G. And the original Razr came out in 2004, back in the day when flip phones were popular. The Razr was one of my first phones, right along with the Nokia and Blackberries. Now this phone is the 5G version. This came out on October 2nd of 2020. Motorola released a 4G version back in February, but it didn't really do so well with reviews, and it was really expensive. Now this phone comes in this cool box. You just slide it right off. It's got like this see-through glass at the top. You also get the phone right here, and there's a cool case. Looks like something you would put your sunglasses in, but it's really nice. It says Razr on the front, and you get your USB Type-C connector. There's a little adapter for music. It has no 3.5 millimeter jack, and you get your power brick here. So that's what comes in the case. Now the first thing you're going to notice about the Razr, it's small, it's compact, just like the Z Flip. And when you open it, you get a 6.2 inch display. It's an OLED display. It is plastic, and it comes with Android 10 right out of the box. It works just like every other Android phone. So you swipe up, you get your app tray. You can swipe to the left and right. You can swipe down to get all your notifications and stuff like that. It's a pretty good display. I had no problems with it. I got my cool wallpaper right there. And it feels really premium too. The hinge is made out of stainless steel, and the front and back is glass. The fingerprint scanner is on the back right there on the logo. And I've been playing with this phone for a couple of days now. I just erased it and put it into demo mode just to show everybody. On the front you get your 2.7 inch display. It's a quick view display, and basically you can receive notifications, you can make calls and everything like that right from the display. We're gonna cut that on. Yep, so there's the display, and you can swipe to the left and you get your camera. You can swipe up. If you go to the right, you're going to get your app shortcuts. So YouTube, calculator, there's a game that comes with the phone, Astro Odyssey, and you can make calls, text, email right from the front screen without even opening the phone. Motorola says that it saves battery, and I've been making calls and texts and stuff like that. I've had the GPS and the Bluetooth on, and I haven't ran into any problems. It's pretty fast too. There's really no lag. You can swipe down, you can get your notifications, swipe up. It's pretty cool. You can literally do everything from the front. It's not like the Z Flip where they had like that little small screen with the notifications. So this is pretty useful. I like it. And yeah, so you got the 6.2 inch OLED display when you open it, the 2.7 inch display on the front. This phone has 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. It does not have a micro SD card slot. That might be a deal breaker for some people, but that's more than enough storage for me. I use Google Photos, so I never really have a problem with storage. Now this device has a 2800 milliamp battery. That's kind of low, especially when you compare it to other foldable phones that's in the 3000 milliamp range. But yeah, I haven't had any problems as far as battery life, but I'm definitely going to test that out in the coming weeks, and then I'll probably have another review with that. This device has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 processor, so it's pretty snappy. It'll get the job done. On the front you have a 48 megapixel wide angle camera with optical image stabilization. It has dual LED flash. It can also shoot in 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. On the front, you have your 20 megapixel wide angle camera, and that also shoots in 4K at 30 frames per second. Some people like 1080, but if they give you 4K, why not use it? And Motorola says that this device is water repellent, which means it has a water repellent coating on it. So a couple of raindrops, you should be fine. But if you drop this phone in the toilet or something like that, it's probably going to be done for. And one of the best things I like is that this device is not exclusive to Verizon anymore. In my opinion, Verizon, they don't handle exclusives very well. So you can go on Motorola.com, you can get the unlocked version. I believe that has dual SIMs. And you can grab this device on T-Mobile, at&t, Best Buy, and Amazon. It is $1,400 though. So some of the carriers, they have deals where you might be able to get 50% off. But you can check with whatever carrier you get. They always give out deals because they know these phones are expensive. And $1,400, that's a lot of money for a flip phone. But I like it. A lot of people might not be ready for the whole fancy flip phone thing yet. But I think as we go along and into next year, a lot of other companies, they're going to be making like foldables. I think Microsoft has like a foldable device out now too. So we're getting there. But let me know what you think about the Motorola Razr 5G. I'm going to drop all the other specs and links down into the description. Let me know what you think. Are you ready for a foldable device? And yeah, I'm going to go and get a case for this because this is very delicate too. So yeah, that's all I have for now. I'm going to have some more videos coming up pretty soon. I want to thank everybody for watching. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.